welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a room tour for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video so much. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up right now. Comment down below if you like. Don't forget to subscribe as well, you guys. Let's get right into this video. So here's the outside of my door. It's plain, but this is just how it looks. And then when you come in,
this is what you see. So just a little brief.
So when you close my door, on this side of my wall, I have just literally memories, just little things. So when people walk in, they could see this. So the first thing I have is this Hello Gorgeous sign. So every time I walk in, I'm reminded, yes. Then down here, I just have the initial of my first name. This is Andrea Street. My letter, literally my 2 pins. Then when you look down, I have my soccer poster. I'm forever gonna love this poster because of the 6. And then when you look over here, I have this little picture holder where I have pictures of literally like all my friends. And like if you guys want your picture on here, give me your guys' like sport picture or school picture, anything. There's that. And like, see, I still have some space for more pics. And then when you turn this way, I have all my purses on a on thumbtacks. So there's that right there. I need those command hooks because these thumbtacks are gonna fall low key. Then down here, I have my backpack and just a bag that I don't know where to put it. And then I have my vanity. So on my vanity, it's kind of like the same how I used to have it. I have my palettes, my little mirror, my fit. On this side is beauty blenders, on this side is brushes. On the middle, it's just like makeup, like everyday makeup. Right here is just like lip glosses and chapsticks, all that. My little skincare part right there. Then right here I have all my brushes that have like sets. So it's like my Real Techniques, these cute little Sonia Kashuk ones, these Walmart ones, and like miscellaneous ones. Like, and then I have my Sweet Pea Pomegranate candle burning right now. It smells so good. I got it at Marshall's for $6.99. And then up here, I have my cute LED love sign. I love this thing so much. And then when you look over here, I have my full body mirror. There's me. And then I have my trash can, which, don't mind, there's garbage in there. Then beside my mirror, I have my earring holder. And then I have sunglasses on each side, sunglasses and glasses. Then right here, I have some cute little posters. So I have Just Wing It Today and Coco Made Me Do It. I love that it has like something where you could put things at. So I have my flowers all around. And then I have this cute little lash poster. My homecoming princess crown. Another candle that smells so bomb. Another A. You guys have A's literally everywhere. Some lotions right here. Some perfumes. My Polaroid, which I love so much. And then right here is where all my jewelry is at. I have all my rings in this cute little like plate for rings. And then this little necklace holder, bracelet holder I got at Marshall's. And it's so bomb. So there's that right there. I love it. And when you turn right here is where my bed's at. So this is my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bed. So as you guys can tell, I have literally all my pillows in cheetah. I know you guys, this is rowdy, but it's cute for me. I have my laptop on my bed, and then my beautiful tapestry that I got on Amazon, I believe, but it was a while back, but I just thought this would be the statement of the room. And I have pink lights going all the way down. I kind of wish I had the ones like that were like dropping like that, but one day I will. Then right here I have a little rise and shine, so every time I wake up, well, I don't really like look at that, but like it's just a rise and shine moment. So there's that right there. I love my bed so much, it's so comfy. And then when you come right here, I have my black rug right here. I was gonna put it this way, but then I would have to put it under the counter. It would have just been a hassle. So over here I have my tripod, which I don't really use that often, so on like the camera thing, I put all my scrunchies, and then right here on the bottom I just have like a headband, and so it's right here in the corner. And then right here in back of it I have this cute little sign that says beautiful. But then right here I have my cute Chanel mirror statement that I really like. It's really cute, really chic, so there's that. And then moving on, right here is where my closet is at. Okay, let's just open it for you guys. Okay, so on the bottom I have all my shoes, and then it just kind of goes color coordinated, so it's like gray, black, white, stripes, random, cheetah, tank tops, purple, pink, red, brown, green, blue, and so on. And that's where it stops there. And then on top I have just boxes of shoes as well, some sandals. Over here I have just some boots, my beanies, pants, sweats, shorts, everything in this little compartment right here, some pajamas, and then I have all my jackets and sweaters and stuff right here. And then on the top I obviously have like underwear, bras, socks in these little tubs right here. And I got those at Walmart, by the way. Beside my closet, I have another mirror. I cleaned it, but it ain't it, you know? So that's my mirror. This is the mirror I use to look at my outfit to see if it's approved by me. This is the mirror where I do my hair. So like each mirror has different purposes. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I had in my room. It's nothing really different from the other room. Like, I have the same things, but it's just a different layout. It's a different vibe. I personally love my new room. It's like so cozy, and it's just a vibe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications because I will be posting more this week, so stay tuned for that, you guys. Bye. If you guys want to see my other room tour, it'll be in the description box down below. Bye, guys.